Ayo, what did I get from? Who go in? Before you know, I am uncle out of hospital. I don't pass up. Nobody, you're not going to the other. I ain't the people back to other night.
Doctor, apa lagi sih nih yang mau ngapain di sini
What do you mean? What are you telling me?
Don't embarrass me, Daddy, please.
If you don't want me to embarrass you, better come and sit.
No.
What's it like?
Your dad. I think we are actually saying, what's the
I the fuck I tell about that. Hey! Oh, we can't do it.